So, interesting thing here. I have always hated to hear myself talk on a recording, on video, or whatever, right? And as of today, I think that's a limiting factor. It limits my ability to speak in public. Who knows what how else but it's a limiting factor. So, in order to remedy that, I'm gonna suggest to myself that every day I'm gonna record something with my voice, my face, whatever. That's another thing. I don't like to see my face in pictures, but that's just me. Um, Again, more limiting factors. I think, there's some deep issues there that I need to explore with some therapy and healing and stuff like that, and why I've always felt bad about my looks, my voice, etc. So, yeah, we're gonna explore that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show my face to myself more often. I'm gonna listen to my own voice more often. And I'm gonna record my face and my voice and put it out there for people to see and hear. And it's up to you whether you like it or not. I don't really care. But I'm doing it for my edification. So that's just another thought.